How you doing, guys? And welcome back for another one, another party night. But this time I'm putting the music. Yeah, it should be a good party. It's gonna be held at South Beach, Miami. So any party that's down there, you know, is gonna be good. And it's a wedding, so it should be interesting. I haven't done a wedding in a while. Most of the time it's corporate parties, but this time it's gonna be a wedding, so it should be fun. And you guys are coming along for the ride, and hopefully we'll all have some fun. And I think it's it's kind of an early thing, because I have to be there around 6, and then the wedding starts at 6:30, and it only takes me about 10 minutes to set up, because I'm quick and I got really portable equipment. When I bought my DJ equipment, I bought the easiest, fastest setup system, because before, when I used to DJ, I had to carry amps, speakers, records, the T. It was a lot of work. Now it's just quick, open up the scissors, put the computer out, power up the speakers, and ready to go. So let's see what the night brings us, and hopefully it'll be fun, and you guys are coming along for the ride. You gotta love Miami for all the water and all the beautiful buildings and landscaping, but you gotta hate it because of the traffic. Can't believe it, it's the weekend, there's traffic. But I guess that's when you have too much people wanting to be in one place at the same time. So everybody's coming, I guess, down to South Beach, because I guess there's so many clubs and restaurants and hotels and apartments and condominiums and marinas. So imagine all those people coming down here on the weekend all at the same time. So, you know, it gets a little packed, I guess. It's not bad though. I mean, I guess it looks worse than what it is. It's a lot of cars, but as long as everybody moves along, it doesn't take that long. That long. It's not bad. It could be worse. I've been here when I used to come to South Beach when I was younger. Sometimes it used to take like 30 to 45 minutes just to get in the beach. So I guess I can't complain. I'm only running, GPS is saying 10 minutes of slow down traffic, so I guess it's not that bad. Well, like you can see before in other videos and even my videos, South Beach is a very cool place to go visit. But the thing is, the parking is really bad. It took me over 30 minutes to find a spot. And once I found a spot, it cost me $32 to park. I mean, to me, it's a little bit outrageous, I think. But I guess, you know, you gotta pay for the tourist spot. But yeah, I'm sitting up here and it takes me from 10 to 15 minutes. It depends how long I have to run the speakers from the system, but it's quick, and here we go. Well, like you notice, this wedding is a little bit different than the ones I normally do. Or maybe this is just the reception. But I guess also it's different because it's held inside a restaurant. I guess the different dress code and atmosphere.
The bride and the groom are right now. Where are they? Ha, there they go. Hey, man, let me tell you something. Hello, how you doing? Alright, so check it out. I gotta say something. she's looking all nice and quaint, right? But you should see her negotiating with me. I mean, she ain't that sweet when she's negotiating. That's a tough cookie right there. I feel sorry for you. And you know what? We're going to let you have a beautiful day today. We hope you have a great time. We hope all your guests are having a great time. And we're going to sing a special song for you too. Only for you too. So,
While the band now is its turn to play, it's my turn to eat. And that is my favorite part of the party. I get to eat what everybody's eating. Like this tonight they're having salmon and it tastes really good with spinach. to make everybody dance and have some fun. Okay guys, yes, that was it. Another successful party, another fun night with the band and DJ Fresco. So it's time to go home, pick up everything, and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day, another time, another place.